Okay, so continuing with session 1, doing a sequence of transformations, which means we're doing more than one. So let's go ahead and annotate this. We have a quilt. It has a border made of right triangles and trapezoids. What we need to do is graph one triangle with these vertices. To locate another triangle, we're going to follow these steps. First, we're going to reflect across the y-axis. That'll give us DEF prime. Second, we're going to translate 8 units up to get DEF double prime. And then the question is the pre-image the same as our final image? So I'm going to go to a different slide with a coordinate plane that's already labeled, and I'm going to graph this and then show you the transformations. So here we have our pre-image. We have point D at -4, 0. E is at 0, 0, the origin, and then F down here, this is F, right, is at 0, -8. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reflect it across the y-axis. Now, if you notice, points E and point F are on the y-axis, so they're actually not going to move. The only point that's going to move is point D, and it's going to move to the right to be on the other side of the y-axis. So I'm going to switch colors. So since this is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And so here is D prime. E prime is in the same spot and F prime is in the same spot. So we get a triangle after the reflection that is here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to translate the red triangle 8 units up. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to do that translation, and then I'll be back. All right, so our last step, we took the red triangle, we translated it 8 units up, so D double prime is now here. F went from down here up to the origin, and then E is now here. And so again, the same question. Is our pre-image that was in blue, is it the same size and the same shape as triangle DEF? And so we're going to say triangle DEF is congruent to triangle D double prime, E double prime, F double prime, because since they're rigid transformations, only the location and orientation changed. They are still the same size and shape. Again, that's the big idea of this whole lesson.